With your rags, again, if you are washing out your rags, you can hang them over the edge of the table to dry. But once they are dry, you can either reuse them or toss them in the hamper to be cleaned and washed. But don't just leave them in a wadded bundle here. They're not going to dry in a wadded bundle, and they're going to get moldy and mildewy and all kinds of nasty. So we're going to throw all of these in the laundry. I like to always use hot water. You should use a combination of hot and warm water to get things as clean as possible. This rag was dipped in Simple Green, the cleaner and disinfectant version, but I'm rinsing it out. And I'm going to hang it up the counter to dry. Rags just bundled up and left a mess. Rags need to be cleaned out, rinsed out well, and then hung up to dry. After they've been used several times, they need to be sent to the laundry. But you need to check with the costume shop on how the things should get laundered. Don't just go up and use the laundry machine without confirming with the costume shop. And this is one of my favorites. Bucket of water lying around, rag crumpled up, just sort of left there. I've got rags bunched up, and these are cloth rags. They're meant to be reusable, rewashable. They're not paper towels. If you use a cloth rag, rinse it out, reuse it. It's not a disposable thing. These are probably going to have to be thrown away. There's paint gummed up on it. It's all kinds of gooey, and it's just leaving debris everywhere. Another rag. So we'll be throwing those away. Oh my God. What is this? Is this a collection of rags? Is this a collection of bunched up, wadded up rags? A collection of rags that have paint dried up in them. They're not rinsed out, and they're all sitting up in here in piles, going all mildewy and moldy. These aren't even worth saving. These should all get thrown out. And the greasy things, oh my God. There's a couple hanging to dry properly. But this, I don't know what is going on here. Oh my God. Oh my God.